Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Yakult. Let's begin by understanding their fundamental nature. Excel is a robust software application designed for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data, widely used across many industries. Yakult, on the other hand, is a small, fermented dairy drink, specifically formulated to deliver beneficial bacteria for gut health. They are distinct in form and purpose. Moving on to their functions, Excel offers extensive capabilities for data manipulation, from simple arithmetic to advanced statistical analysis and charting. It helps users make informed decisions. Yakult's primary function is to introduce beneficial microorganisms into the gut, with each small bottle containing billions of active bacteria, aiming to improve digestive balance and overall well-being. Considering how they are used, Excel is an interactive software tool, requiring a computer and user engagement to perform its functions, such as creating detailed spreadsheets or complex financial models. Yakult is a consumable product, typically enjoyed as a single serving of 65 milliliters, often as part of a daily health regimen. One is a digital utility, the other a physical supplement. Finally, let's consider their broader impact. Excel has revolutionized data management, influencing countless industries and personal organizational tasks, from tracking expenses to managing large datasets. Yakult's impact is more personal, contributing to the digestive health of millions of individuals by delivering its unique strain of beneficial bacteria. They operate in entirely different spheres of influence, one digital and one biological.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.